All right, let's dive into a Python error that's super common but also pretty confusing.
If you've hit this cannot pickle error, you're definitely not alone. Let's break it down.
This is the core question, right? It's from a developer who ran right into this problem. So pickling is just Python's quirky term for serialization, turning an object into something you can save.
It becomes a byte stream. This is basically a blueprint for rebuilding the object later on.
And believe it or not, this is what your complex object actually looks like to the computer.
So why does it fail? It turns out there's a boundary that Pickle just can't cross. Let's call it the operating system wall. It's a hard line between your code and the OS. Pickle lives in Python's world. It can't touch things the OS controls, like a database connection.
Okay, so what does it look like when it actually works? Let's see it in code. So you take a dictionary, run one command, and bam, you get that raw byte stream blueprint.
But is Pickle your only option? Absolutely not. This is all about picking the right tool.
See, Pickle is powerful, but it's Python to Python only. JSON is your universal translator for APIs.
Okay, let's talk about the single biggest rule when you're working with Pickle. This is crucial. Because here's the deal. A malicious Pickle can be designed to execute some really nasty code.
So to wrap it all up, here are the key things you really need to remember.
So thinking about that OS boundary, what in your own code might be impossible to Pickle?